Are you getting a message like this? Here I have Discord asking to access my photos. Down here are the ones that I have given Discord permission to view. When you are getting this message, it means Discord has very limited access to your photos. I can only choose the ones that I have given it permission. These are all the recent photos, and Discord do not have access to them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove that message so that it will make sharing a lot easier. In this video, I'll be using Discord as an example, but this method will also work with other apps. So what we need to do is go to Settings, and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the app that you're looking for. So Discord is over here. I'm going to tap on that. And then notice that it says it has limited access to my photos. Going to tap that. And then now I'm going to give it full access. And then allowed full access. Now if I go back to share photos, press the plus sign, photos, I can see all the recent photos. If you need any other tech help, check out the description. Hope this helps. Bye!